Respected faculty and my guide. I am G. Vasanthi from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I completed my 8-week internship in front-end web development at the Council for the Skills and Competencies, also known as CSC India, from May 15 to July 15, 2025. The main objective of this internship was to gain practical knowledge in web development, improve my technical skills, and understand how real world applications are built. When we come to organization, CSC India is a social enterprise established in 2022. It mainly focuses on improving student employability by bridging the gap between academic learning and industry requirements. The organizations work with the major incentives like NASSCOM, AICTE, and APSCHE. It provides training programs, internships, and skill development opportunities to the students across India. The vision of CSC India is to use technologies for social development and to create a strong learning ecosystem. During my internship, I experienced a structured learning environment with proper mentorship and continuous feedback. When we come to internship structure, my internship was conducted over 8 weeks in an online mode. The structure included daily learning and tasks, weekly assignments, mentor guidance, weekly review sessions, final capstone project. The structured approach helped me learn step by step and apply concepts practically. The work done and learning means during this internship, I worked on various front end technologies like HTML, CSS. I started with HTML and CSS, where I learned how to structure web pages and design layouts. I created static web pages using headings, images, forms, and styling techniques. I also learned about CSS concepts like box modeling, positioning, flexbox, and grid for responsive design. When we come to JavaScript, next I learned JavaScript to add interactive to web pages. I worked on DOM manipulation, event handling, form validation, image sliders. These helped me understand how dynamic behaviors works in websites. React development. Later I worked on React, which is a modern front-end library. In React, I learned components, props, state management using hooks. I developed small applications like a to-do list to understand component-based architecture. Also API integration, which I learned how to connect front-end applications with the back-end data. I used Postman to test APIs, access to fetch data. I built applications like a weather app that displays real-time data. When we come to teamwork and tools, during this internship, I used GitHub for version control, Microsoft Teams for communication, Figma for UI design. I also participated in team discussions and code reviews. My learning progressed by week. Week 1 to 2, I learned basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and created static and dynamic web pages. When we come to week 3 and 4, I started working with React and learned how to build applications using components. I also focused on responsive design, Week 5 and 6. I worked on group projects like building an e commerce website. I also learned API integration and developed a weather app. Week 7 to 8. I focused on performing optimization, accessibility, and completed my final capstone project. Capstone project. The major highlight of my internship was my final project. My project title was E-commerce product listing web application. And when we come to its description, I developed a responsive web application that displays products, allows searching, and include cart functionality. And my work is designed UI using Figma, built frontend using React, created reusable components, integrated APIs to fetch product data, implemented search and cart features, ensured responsive designs, testing. I tested the application for cross browser compatibility, performance, accessibility. This project helped me apply all the concepts I learned during the internship. And the skills that I gained through this internship are I gained both technical and professional skills. When we come to technical skills, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React development, API integration, responsive design. Professional skills are problem solving, communication, teamwork, time management. And the challenges that I faced during this internship are understanding React concepts initially, debugging errors in JavaScript, handling API data properly. I overcome these challenges through practice, mentor guidance, and continuous learning. And the conclusion of this internship provided with the valuable practical experience in front end development. It helped me improve my technical knowledge and prepared me for real world projects. I am now more confident in building web applications and working in a team environment. Thank you.